Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am excited about this. This is an electric tricycle, guys. This has forward mode and reverse mode. I've never seen that on an electric tricycle. I love that. It also has dual sensors. So this is gonna have your torque sensor and your cadence sensor. So no matter how you like to ride, this will benefit you. Really comfortable seat. I'm gonna go over all the features in today's video. We'll get it out on the road. I'll let you know my final thoughts on this. This is the Mooncool TK2 Pro. Let's go. So first of all, let me just tell you, I can't get over the fact that this has reverse mode. I've never seen that. I'm gonna show that to you in today's video. I love it. Now these do have 3-inch wide tires, so you're gonna be able to go on-road or off-road, and I'm actually gonna test it out here in the field today. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Also has a really good lighting system. Up front, you've got a really big headlight, but you also have triple lighting in the back, so you can ride this at night safely. You don't have to worry about it. Also has a big bright display. Within your display, you can actually select different modes of speed, but you can also put your reverse mode right in here in your panel, which is great. Guys, this goes up to 15.5 miles per hour, which is really fast for an electric tricycle. And you're gonna get that because it has a 750 watt helical motor. That gets you like 1500 watts of peak power, so you'll be able to hit those hills no problem whatsoever. Let me talk about this seat, guys. This is a very comfortable foam seat. It is also breathable. It has airflow down the center of it, which I really appreciate on hot days. Also has a back rest. This is a really good setup for stability on an electric tricycle. This also has something called a rear differential. And if you don't know what that means, basically each wheel is independent within the motor. So you can actually take those turns and one wheel will go faster than the other wheel. Why would you want that? Well, stability. It's all about stability. So if you are going around corners, typically with most electric tricycles, you kind of wobble and you have to lean kind of as you make the turn, but not this one. It actually will go faster with one of the wheels. It's also really nice if you are off-road because if one gets into a little ditch, you'll get a little bit more extra help to get out of it. I really like that. Rear differentials are huge with electric tricycles. I've reviewed that some that didn't have it. Didn't realize how important it was until I was on the road testing it. But now I only test electric tricycles that have rear differentials, and this one has that. This thing is pretty heavy. It is a foldable design, but you can lift it up. It's not terribly heavy, and because of that, you can get a really long range. This thing advertises a range of up to 75 miles, which is a monster range for an electric tricycle. One thing you probably noticed right off the bat is how low this step through is. Now that's really nice because if you are injured, which a lot of people that ride electric tricycles are, you can get on it really easily. Or if you're just height challenged and you need something a little bit lower, you can step through this no problem, and your seat is adjustable for really tall riders or really short riders. This really caters to everybody. If you look across the dashboard here, you do have your horn, your reverse button. It's a 6-speed Shimano shifter and uses a half-twist throttle. As far as storage, this is storage galore. This has a monster back rack. It has a really large front basket as well. So you've got your back basket and you have your front basket. This is standard. This is not an upgrade, guys. This is the TK2 Pro model. That's one of the things that the Pro model offers. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. It's actually a lot of bit of everything, and that's what I love about this. I was excited to get this one. This is a brand new model that just came out by Mooncool, and I know I've reviewed some of their other models. They're always coming out with something new, guys, and this is the newest, and in my opinion, the best one that Mooncool offers. So if you are looking for a comfortable electric tricycle that is safe, that is easy to get on and off, has a 75-mile range, up to 15.5 miles per hour, which is really fast, by the way, for an electric tricycle, that is safe to ride day, night, on-road or off-road. This really covers it all, guys. This is the Mooncool TK2 Pro. If you want to know more about this, I'll put links down in the description section of this video where you can get this and you can find all about it. Guys, I love this electric tricycle. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.